One sunny morning, Lily was walking in the park when she heard a soft whimper. She looked around and saw a small puppy sitting under a tree. The puppy looked sad and scared. Lily knelt down and said, "Hello, little puppy. Are you lost?" The puppy wagged its tail, but didn't move. Lily looked around for the puppy's owner, but didn't see anyone. "Don't worry," she said. "I'll help you find your home." She picked up the puppy gently and began walking through the park, asking people if they had seen the puppy's owner. After a while, an old man came up to them and smiled. "That's my puppy," he said. "Thank you for finding him." Lily handed the puppy to the man and he gave her a big thank you hug. "You are very kind," he said. Lily smiled and waved goodbye. She was happy to have helped the lost puppy find its way home. If you enjoyed this story and learned new words, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Little Steps English so you won't miss any new stories. Share your thoughts in the comments. What did you like about the story? Have you ever helped a lost animal before? See you in the next story.